In Thailand, there is a strong emphasis on preparedness for disease control and prevention, acknowledging the crucial role of vaccines as a fundamental medical intervention for achieving essential health objectives, leading to the establishment of the National Vaccine Institute of Thailand. NVI was established as a public authority, serving as a non-profit organization that coordinates and promotes cooperation among public and private sectors to support the entire national vaccine effort. Its aim is to ensure that all people have equitable access to safe and high-quality vaccines. The mission is driven by the National Vaccine Security Strategy under the supervision of the Minister of Public Health. The operations of NVI are carried out in compliance with the mandates outlined in the Royal Command's Emblem National Vaccine Security Act, BE 2561, which assigns NVI the following duties. 1. To study, analyze, and prepare a draft of the National Vaccine Security Strategy and Plan for submission to the National Vaccine Committee. 2. To actively promote, support, and facilitate the research and development, manufacturing, and distribution of vaccines, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and are available in sufficient quantities for both routine and emergency situations. 3. To manage the integrations and drive the implementation according to the National Vaccine Policy Strategy and Plan. 4. To build a robust network of vaccine experts and forge strategic collaborations with government bodies, academic institutions, international organizations, or private entities involved in the implementation of vaccines. 5. To serve as a hub for the management and integration of information and knowledge, facilitating informed decision-making across policy, economic, and academic spheres related to vaccines. This role includes providing academic services, developing information, and fostering the creation of knowledge, technology, and innovations in the field of vaccines. 6. To promote, support, and implement training programs aimed at enhancing the capacity and expertise of the country's vaccine workforce. These roles and responsibilities are carried out through policy-driven initiatives, financial support, capacity building for national vaccine capabilities, and fostering collaborations. For policy-driven efforts, NVI serves as the Secretary for the National Vaccine Committee, or NVC, chaired by the Prime Minister and vice-chaired by the Minister of Public Health. The roles of NVC are to regulate national vaccine security strategy and plan and budget framework for implementation regarding national strategic and plan, including regulatory to support national vaccine. Under the NVC, there are key national subcommittees, including 1. Subcommittee on Promoting Research, Development, and Production of Vaccines. 2. Subcommittee on Management for Vaccine Security. NVI serves as the secretary for both subcommittees. 3. Subcommittee on Immunization Practice, or ACIP, where NVI is a co-secretary alongside the Department of Disease Control. Furthermore, NVI is a co-secretary for the National List of Essential Vaccines Subcommittee under the National Essential Medicines List Committee, alongside the Thai Food and Drug Administration. In addition to our strategic roles and responsibilities, several key regulations have been enacted to support national vaccine security, including 1. National Vaccine Committee Regulation on promoting, supporting, and collaborating on vaccine procurement and immunization for the public, BE 2562. 2. National Vaccine Committee Regulation on funding, promoting, supporting, and collaborating of vaccine research and development, including vaccine production, BE 2562. 3. National Vaccine Committee Regulation on Criteria and Vaccine Procurement, which supported by government BE 2563. This regulation supports the domestic vaccine industry and contributes to vaccine security. Additionally, during the COVID-19 pandemic, by virtue of Section 18 of the National Vaccine Security Act, BE 2561, the Ministry of Public Health issues the notification of COVID-19 vaccine procurement for emergency use, BE 2563. The notification served as a guideline for relevant organizations to expedite vaccine procurement through advance market commitment mechanisms, enabling Thailand to rapidly navigate through the crisis. Another important mission of NVI is to serve as a national funding agency, acting as a program management unit to comprehensively and effectively support national vaccine research and development. NVI can provide financial support for research and development across all 9 levels of technology readiness levels, or TRL, covering the complete spectrum of vaccine development. This includes research, development, production, infrastructure development, capacity building, quality assurance, quality control, procurement, and the appropriate distribution of vaccines. Funding from NVI is dedicated to strengthening the national ecosystem to support vaccine development. This includes fostering vaccine development platforms and enhancing the existing capabilities of our network partners. Support is focused on preparing infrastructure, advancing personnel skills, and promoting collaborations that drive domestic vaccine development. Today, Thailand has a robust infrastructure and a fully integrated support system for vaccine operations, encompassing 1. Thailand is equipped with vaccine research and testing facilities for laboratory animals. Our centers offer proof of concept and preclinical testing services for both rodents and primates, adhering to international standards such as AAA-LAC International and OECD GLP. These facilities are capable of supporting animal testing from ABSL levels 1 to 3. 2. Thailand has vaccine manufacturing facilities operating at both pilot and industrial scales. These plants are fully equipped to support the entire production process, from initial development to final output, including contract manufacturing services from upstream to downstream stages. These facilities are capable of producing both drug substances and drug products, including inactivated, subunit, viral vector, and nucleic acid technologies. Each of these facilities is certified to international manufacturing standards, with infrastructure adjusted to support diverse vaccine production technologies. This enables facilities to comprehensively respond to unexpected outbreaks of emerging infectious diseases. 3. Thailand's clinical research centers are effective and adhere to international standards, staffed with experienced and skilled professionals capable of conducting vaccine trials on humans from first-in-human trials through Phase 3. 4. Thailand's vaccine governance is comprehensive, with a strong national regulatory authority overseen by the Thai FDA. Correspondingly, the World Health Organization has recognized Thailand's vaccine regulatory system as Maturity Level 3 on a scale of 1 to 4, indicating Thailand's national regulatory authority meets established standards, demonstrating stability and systemic integration in its operations. And Thai FDA has also been recognized under the WHO Global Benchmarking as a competent national regulatory authority, affirming its capacity to maintain global standards in vaccine oversight. Furthermore, the National Control Laboratory, serving as a national reference laboratory, is also recognized as one of the 12 WHO reference laboratories. This ensures safety and effective of approved vaccine from the National Regulatory Authority. Moreover, there is a systemic process for monitoring vaccine safety, managed jointly by Thai FDA and the Department of Disease Control. In the realm of vaccine collaboration, NVI has forged strong partnerships both domestically and internationally. These alliances span every facet of vaccine development, from research and development, production to stringent quality control. Animal testing centers conduct extensive efficacy studies and actively communicate vaccine knowledge to the public. Our efforts also extend to enhancing immunization practices and encouraging policy collaborations at both regional and global levels. A key aspect of our collaborative efforts is the transfer of advanced vaccine manufacturing technology from leading international manufacturers to local manufacturers. This strategy is crucial for accelerating Thailand's capacity to rapidly develop and produce vaccines. As a result, NVI is eager to embrace new collaborations and fully support vaccine initiatives with our network partners across all dimensions. Another key mission of NVI is to serve as a central hub for coordinating vaccine-related knowledge and expertise. By collaborating with both public and private partners, we manage and integrate critical information and academic resources. In today's world, where vaccine information is rapidly proliferating, enhancing vaccine literacy has become an urgent priority. Providing the public with a strong foundation of knowledge can significantly reduce unnecessary losses and improve overall health outcomes. This approach not only empowers individuals with essential knowledge, but also fosters sustainable health resilience across the nation. Another crucial mission for ensuring the long-term vaccine security of our nation is to support regional vaccine security and self-reliance through the ASEAN Vaccine Security and Self-Reliance Initiative. This initiative aims to ensure comprehensive vaccine coverage for all population groups, enhance access to vaccines, and maintain a steady supply of essential vaccines, both in routine circumstances and during emergencies. As a focal point of AVSSR, NVI has pioneered partnerships with international vaccine networks, including global organizations and allied nations, to efficiently advance vaccine initiatives across the ASEAN region and to actively implement strategic and action plans aimed at establishing vaccine security and self-reliance within ASEAN. This includes establishing a vaccine information sharing platform and conducting vaccine capacity surveys, setting up an ASEAN vaccine stockpiling, and developing the region's vaccine workforce. Although achieving vaccine security and self-reliance is a long-term endeavor, it requires the collective effort and integration of all relevant sectors. NVI remains unwavering in its commitment to advancing the nation's vaccine initiatives. Our mission is to ensure that Thailand always has a sufficient and steady supply of vaccines, both in everyday life and during emergencies. We are dedicated to providing equitable access to vaccines for all target populations across every region. Accordingly, we ensure the best possible pandemic preparedness for our people, fostering lasting health security and sustainability for the nation.